Ami. Ami is a super smart girl who loves to learn and play. One morning, Ami woke up with a big question. What should I do today? Her mind was buzzing with possibilities. First, she thought about the whole world. She held her trusty globe and thought, I wonder how many countries there are. I wonder what the longest river is. Next, Ami decided to find an answer in a good book. But Ami knows that brains need breaks. Time to move. She put on her jersey, number 10, and practiced her basketball skills. Dribbling a ball takes focus and practice.
There are various apps that can emulate an app on your computer or your Mac.
One of those websites is called BlueStacks.com. You're going to open it up and then you're going to download BlueStacks on your laptop or your Mac so that you can install and have a look at the app that you would like to use that's not available on a PC.
Once it's installed on your computer, find your app store and then log in with your Google ID so that you have access to the Play Store apps. And then search for Benime Whiteboard Video Maker and install it to the BlueStack, and then you're able to open it and have access to it.
You have your Benime app uploaded and it's sitting on your BlueStacks or whichever app you're using. Then you're going to double click on it to open it up. If you can't see it here, go to Google Play and search it and open it that way.
I'm sorry, don't leave me.
Because we're using the free app, we are going to get the ads. Once you see the ad, you just close the ad so that you can access your Benime. Okay, so then you're going to click on the plus button, name your project and start creating. So let's say Amy the Wonderful. If you do this and you leave a space, it's going to tell you that you can't create a project with a space, so you need to delete the spaces. I want to show you that just now. But there are different canvas sizes that you can pick from TikTok to Facebook. It depends on the type that you want to use. And you select your choice and then you go ahead and you click on the outside of the page and you click on create project. Then it's going to say to you no spaces, and then you take off the spaces and you can create your project. And then the project opens up. You're able to create your whiteboard animation. These are your slides and your canvases for when you start creating. You can use the app stickers or you can use your own stickers. So if we click on sticker, it then opens up a menu of different stickers that the app has for us. So you can scroll and check and look and see which one talks to you for the animation that you want to create. They even have beautiful animations, moving stickers that you can use for your animation. So I just want to get to there. There's your animations that are moving and you can click on them and create your animation. And there's your sticker. If you want to select and make him bigger or smaller, you do have the size creator, the adjuster at the bottom of the page. And then you can make them big. If you want to then, for example, add text, you can just go back and then click on add text. And what do you want it to say?
You type your text of what you want the whiteboard to be writing, and then you move it with your mouse to the place that you want. You can click on the color to change it, color to whatever color that you want. There are also menu options that are available, like sending it to back, sending it to front, make the text bigger, slide to make it smaller. So the menu there is all to do with the text because you have the text open. Click on background to add an image of a background to your canvases. So you can slide and drag the background over there. And then the next step is all to do about the hand that's going to be writing the whiteboard animation for you. You can choose any hand and then it will then edit, when it's writing whatever elements you're adding on there, it's going to write above your whiteboard.
We are going to then show you the other tips that I think you need to know with this app. Your menu shows you what you can use, like deleting your elements from the project, and maybe you would like to add your own elements. For example, images, audio, or background cover. Whatever you want to add, you can choose stickers and click on add, and then you open up your area where you can have your media hold by the BlueStacks tool. So the magic media, in order for the images that you see there, in order for them to be there, you need to minimize your page so that you have access to your downloads, and then have the two windows open so that you're able to drag and drop either your audio or your videos or your animation, whatever it is that you would like to upload to your project. You need to have it uploaded on the media of BlueStacks. So you just drag and drop it. If it's an image, you just drop it like that. All you do, it doesn't show immediately. So just go back and then you click to add a sticker, and then you will see your project will show. So click on add sticker, and then it will open up again that magic media or that media files where you are able to then go find the image or the audio or the animation, and then just close the ad with closing the ad, and then you add it on your page. Next, we're going to click on music. This is where audio lives. This is where you can record your audio, add pre-recorded audio that's still on your computer, or you can ask the AI that's in here to generate the MP3 for you. If you've selected to go and grab audio from your computer, you just drag it, open it where it's sitting, and just drop it on this file, and then the music is going to be added. So it's up to you, whichever format you prefer. It's available on this tool. Let me share the lessons I've learned when I was using this tool. It is very important to take note of videos that are longer than 50 seconds long. It don't render very well, and you're going to have issues. So try to keep it 30 seconds long into your videos. Perhaps take them to 30 seconds, then you won't have issues when you are creating your videos. Once you are ready to export your video, click on export so that you get the option to export your video to your computer or leave it on BlueStacks. Give it a name, remember, of spaces. Once you've touched the name, you're going to create project. It's going to then start uploading a video. Should not be 30 seconds or more. I have an issue right here when you want a vendor if it's longer than 50 seconds. Once it has finished rendering, then you will have two options. I think that is we have an option to share the movie or watch the movie. It's up to you to watch the movie. I'm going to click on share the movie because this is where you get to send it to your own computers on Windows, or you send it to the media manager on BlueStacks. So if you select BlueStacks Media Manager, you can go to the home button and then you can save it under the quick share or Windows or the BlueStacks Media Manager. Where are you going to find this Media Manager? If you are on home on BlueStacks, there will be an option of systems down to that page. All of your sources and all of the resources, media, or images you use. Even the one that you've just saved, you will find it under the Media Manager. If this video has helped you and it has given you a light and you want to, please share it and save it and like it so that YouTube can show to as many content creators as possible so it can help create whiteboard animations. And with that, have a whiteboard animation that you can go check out. So this video make you so curious. See.